How does this year's Westchester market compare to last year's? If we don't know each other, my name's Jose. I look at all this information so you don't have to, and you can make the best decision for you and your family in Westchester. So, looking at the information from last year, we saw a total of 81 homes sell, and the median home was a 3-2, 1,700 square feet. They were asking about $700,000, and they were receiving $685,000, putting the price per square foot in our area at around 424. Sounds pretty good. So that's an average home that's been updated, not super updated, and not out of date. Look at this. It was used to sell in 19 days. Now, when you look at that and you look at this market today, this market what we are in is a neutral market. The buyer doesn't have the advantage, the seller doesn't have the advantage. But compared to how we used to be, there's more options for the buyers to choose. So when you look up here, this is this year's 2025's information. We saw 66 homes sell, so it's a little bit less than the 81 we saw. The median home was a 3-2, 1,600 square feet, so a little bit smaller. They started asking $725, and they received $700,000. Now the price per square foot, remember how it was at $424? We're seeing it at $441. There was a price increase. The median home went from 19 to 36 days. So it's taking almost double of what it was selling before in order to get the buyer for the home. And if you include that on the higher homes, the homes that are a little bit better, a little bit more expensive, we're looking at 58 days. So the higher end homes that are selling closer to the $2 million mark, this home took 362 days to sell. Now, is that typical? Not necessarily, but the higher end homes are taking longer to sell off the information here. We are in a neutral market. There's more options for sale, and we're not seeing as many closings, so those listings aren't leaving the market. We can also see that the lower side, what is the affordable side, these homes are flying too. There's always going to be a need for cheap homes, but there's not always a need for extremely expensive homes. So that's it for your Q1 market update. If you want more information, my information will be below, but we're here to help you out with the information you need.